Well, I'm here working on my son's 2004 Honda Pilot, and definitely had some rodent damage. I've previously replaced injector plugs, but can you see it? Yeah, something got way down in there, made a nice nest. This used to be a farm truck. We got it from a friend who bought it from the farm, whatever. So fun times. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out of there. I don't know if I can get a vacuum nozzle down there or what, clean that stuff out, but we'll see. Anyway, but this is the problem right here. It's the knock sensor. Notice there are no wires coming off of that sensor, so I don't even know where the connector is. Yeah, so one thing at a time.